Nakakalungkot ang nangyayari sa industriya ng bigas. Last year, because tariffs were slashed, the Philippines became the world's top rice importer. Nalugi ang ating mga magsasaka. Sapilitang nagbenta ng palay ng mas mababa pa kaysa sa kanilang production cost. Samantalang, ang presyo ng bigas sa merkado halos walang ipinagbago. Masakit pa rin sa bulsa ng mamamayan. Mabuti at naglabas ng executive order ang Pangulo para suspindihin sa 60 araw ang importasyon ng bigas. This order acknowledges what we have been saying all along. We have a deep problem. Malalim po ang problema natin sa ating rice importation policy. Yes, the importation ban is a step in the right direction, but hindi po ito sapat. Gaya ng nauna ko nang ipinanukala kasama ang ating butihing chair, Senator Kiko, we must go further. We should revert the tariff rates back to 35% for ASEAN rice and higher than 35% for non-ASEAN exporters. Hindi ito dapat gradual. It must be immediate if we truly want to protect our farmers. The import ban and the tariff increase are not opposing measures. They complement each other. Only by doing both can we stabilize farm gate prices and finally give our farmers the fair fighting chance they deserve. Salamat po.